Good morning, sir. I am Hema from Computer Science and Engineering Department. Now, my topic is find the chromatic number of the K33 and K23. Introduction to Graph Theory. Graph theory is a branch of mathematics focusing on the study of graphs, which are mathematical structures used to model pairwise relations between objects. It has applications in computer science, biology, sociology, and many other fields. Understanding the chromatic number is crucial for solving problems related to graph coloring and resource allocation. What is a chromatic number? The chromatic number of a graph is defined as the smallest number of colors needed to color the vertices so that no two adjacent vertices share the same color. It provides insight into the complexity and structure of the graph. Chromatic numbers are essential in scheduling problems, frequency, assignment, and register allocation in compilers. Here we can see one example of the chromatic number. There are 4 vertices A, B, C, D. Here A is indicated with red color and the adjacent sides of A is C and B. So we use different colors, green and blue. So the chromatic number of this example is 3. Means we use 3 colors, red, green and blue. So number of colors is called a chromatic number. So chromatic number equals to 3. Introduction to K33. K33 is a complete bipartite graph with 2 sets of 3 vertices, and every vertex in one set is connected to every vertex in another set. It is known as the utility graph, often used to illustrate the graph coloring problem in practical scenarios. K33 can be represented visually as a triangle connecting to another triangle, indicating its bipartite nature. Here we can see two examples. One triangle is connected to another triangle. So it indicates the bipartite nature. Properties of K33. K33 has 6 vertices and 9 edges, making it a dense graph. Since K33 is bipartite, it does not contain any odd length cycles. This property is significant in determining its chromatic number. Finding the chromatic number of K33. To find the chromatic number, we must color the vertices of K33 without adjacent vertices sharing the same color. Since K33 is bipartite, we can use 2 colors to color the vertices effectively. Therefore, the chromatic number of K33 is 2. Here we can see one example of the K33. Here we use only 2 colors, blue and red. We can clearly observe that no two adjacent sides use the same color. So minimum colors is 2. The chromatic number is also 2 for the K33. Visual representation of K33. A visual graph of K33 clearly shows the 2 sets of vertices and their connecting edges. This representation helps illustrate how the 2 coloring can be applied. The simplicity of the coloring demonstrates the effectiveness of using bipartite property. Now we are moving to K23. Introduction to K23. K23 is another complete bipartite graph consisting of 2 vertices in one set and 3 vertices in another set. This graph is often used in scenarios where one group is significantly smaller than the other. Understanding K23 helps in analyzing smaller bipartite structures in the graph theory. Properties of K23. K23 has 5 vertices and 6 edges, indicating a less dense structure compared to K33. It also maintains the characteristic of being bipartite, which influences its chromatic number. This graph contains no odd length cycles, which is consistent with bipartite graphs. Finding the chromatic number of K23. The approach to determining the chromatic number involves coloring the vertices so that no two adjacent vertices share the same color. For K23 like K33, we can accomplish this with just two colors. Thus, the chromatic number of K23 is also 2. Visual representation of K23. A diagram illustrating K23 will display its two vertices in one set connected to 3 in another. The coloring of the graph can be shown in the diagram to emphasize the two coloring method. This visual aid reinforces the concept of chromatic numbers in a simpler bipartite graph. Now we are comparing K33 and K23. Both K33 and K23 are complete bipartite graphs, yet they differ in structure and size. Their common chromatic number of 2 highlights the characteristics of the bipartite graphs. Analyzing both graphs provide deeper insight into the properties of bipartite structures in graph theory. Here we can see the complete bipartite graphs of K23 and K33. The structure is different, but the chromatic number is 2 for both. Now, applications of the chromatic numbers. Chromatic numbers have practical applications in scheduling where tasks must be organized without conflicts. They are also used in resource allocation problems where limited resources must be distributed efficiently. Understanding the chromatic number can lead to effective solutions in various fields, including telecommunications. A conclusion: the chromatic number of both K33 and K23 is determined to be 2, showcasing their bipartite nature. Understanding these graphs contributes to a broader comprehension of graph theory fundamentals. The principles of graph coloring have significant implications in real-world applications. Here bi means 2, so the chromatic number of both K33 and K23 are 2. So it is called bipartite graphs. This is all about the chromatic number of K33 and K23. Thank you. Hope you like it.